How to create logo on Canva website? First of all, you can open your Chrome browser and then search canva.com. First I search canva.com. There is multiple feature on this website. We can create logo. There is one option, logos. Click on this. uh, when you click on this will blank open. Okay, blank page open. You can choose any template if you like. I think you can choose any template. Okay, I choose one logo from this template. Okay, I choose this template. Click on this. These all are already created. Okay, just you can change your name. Some are paid, like this is pro, and this is paid, and this is paid. Some are paid, but many are free. Okay, I choose this. I want to change this name, and after changing this logo will mine. Okay, first of all you can change your name. First of all I change my name Canva. Okay, if you change this color, you can select the logo and click on color and choose any other color. Okay, I think I set red. And if you change text color, click on text, and there is a text color. Click on this, and you can change any color. Set black or red, any. Okay, there is subheading. Click on this, and type text. um, you can type your own text, and you can find your own logo if you like. This is multiple, there is multiple logos for your brand. You can search here any. Okay, any category. Just I type on this, and I type learn, edit and learn. And this is my now my logo is ready. Just double click and change the color. Ready, change it. I think black is better. Now now our thumbnail, our logo is ready. Okay, if you replace this logo with any other, you can just upload from here. You can download logos. You can download logo png from Google, any logo. I think if you want this Twitter logo, you can right click and save this. After saving, you can go to upload and select your file. Click on download, and you can choose where is your file. Okay, if you like, if you say I replace this by this, just click on delete button, and click on this, and resize. You can choose any logo from Google, any other website you can create on Photoshop. Okay, just now our thumbnail is ready. Okay, just set in center. Now our logo is ready. Just click on share, and there is the option of download. Click on download, and if you choose this option, they will pay it automatically. Okay, you will pay to them. And just click on download. After clicking, they will download automatically. There is a option, and you can see there is downloaded already. And now our thumbnail is ready. Okay, if you have any problem, then comment below, I will answer you. Okay.